Well, welcome back into the Norfolk cottage garden, and here's another little beauty for our English climbing rose special. This one is Perennial Blue. It's not blue, is it? Don't know where it got that name from, but this little rose is another climbing, rambling rose. It's nicely scented. Not a particularly vigorous grower. This one's been in for around 2 to 3 years, and it's only just in the base of this established tree. It's an apple tree that's been cordoned, just getting up to the top here. That's growth at around 4.5–5 feet. It's quite happy at that level, not going to go much higher than that, and it's flowering nicely low down as well. A lot of roses, you plot them in this situation and they'll just reach for the light and not do anything lower down, but this one's perfectly happy to break bud in semi-shade on the lower aspect, which is quite nice because it's planted just below this much more vigorous couple of roses. So this one gives us the infill basically at around 4 or 5 feet, as well as those lovely flowers up on the top. Opens really quite burgundy, fading to a mauve. Nice little flower and a decent amount of scent on it.